In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Jira workspace and open your main project dashboard. If you're trying to start your day, check your sprint work, or review your backlog, the first step is simply getting into the right workspace quickly and securely. The good news is that Jira Cloud access is very straightforward once you know the main routes. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the address bar at the very top of the window and click inside it. This is where you'll enter the web address that takes you to your Jira workspace. The fastest method is to go directly to your company's Atlassian cloud site. In the address bar, type your team's Jira URL in this format, your company, atlassian.net. Then press enter. If you already know your organization's exact site address, this is usually the quickest way to reach the correct workspace. If you don't remember the company-specific address, or if you work with multiple Jira environments, there's another reliable option. Click back into the address bar and go to id.atlassian.com. You can also use jira@atlassian.com. Press enter, and this will take you to Atlassian's central sign-in page where you can access the workspaces connected to your account. Once the sign-in screen appears, click in the field labeled email address and enter your work email, then select continue. After that, enter your password in the password field. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may instead choose the sign-in option provided by your company, such as Google or Microsoft. Just follow the prompts to complete the login securely. After you sign in, Atlassian will open its main product launcher or home area. From there, look for the tile labeled Jira Software and click it. This takes you into the Jira environment connected to your account. When the Jira workspace opens, check the recent projects or available project list and select the software project you want to work in. Click the project name to open its main board or dashboard so you can view your active tasks, sprint items, and backlog areas. Before you start working, take a quick moment to confirm that everything loaded correctly. Make sure you can see the project columns, the left sidebar, any active sprint filters, and your profile icon. This quick check helps you confirm that you're in the right workspace and that the page is displaying properly. Once that looks good, you're ready to start your day in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.